lecture topic is power steering. The power steering operation, how the vehicle the power steering is operated. That glance we are seeing in this video. Power steering mechanism is this operation of the system depends on the driver's input torque applied to the steering wheel. Under low torque conditions, no assistance is required. Application of low torque on the wheel is insufficient to overcome the tension of the reaction spring in the control valve so that fluid flows back to the reservoir. In this phase of operation, the control valve remains in the neutral position and hence offers no resistance to the oil flow to or from the ram cylinder. So in the power steering operation, the torque applied by the driver is controlled by the strength of the reaction springs. When this torque reaches a predetermined value, the greater force acting in the drag link operates the valve. The valve connects one side of the ram to the pump and the other side vents to the reservoir. Interruption of the fluid circuit in this manner allows the pump pressure to build up quickly. Consequently, the thrust on the ram also builds up until the movement of the ram overcomes the resistance of the road wheel. At this stage, the force in the drag link reduces so that the valve returns to the neutral position and the system pressure drops to the original value. Thus, in this sequence of operation, steering wheel torque opens the valve and the ram exerts a proportional thrust to close the valve. Turning the steering wheel in the opposite direction also produces a similar action, but in this case, the movement of the control valve directs fluid to the other side of the ram piston. There are different designs of reaction valve under spring. One from incorporates a small torsion. Another one is the hydraulic torsion. It also in the power steering, the hydraulic system, hydraulically operated power assisted system work on either a constant pressure or constant flow layout. The former incorporates a hydraulic accumulator to store the pressure. The latter uses flow of fluid around the system continuously until resistance is required. The power steering system consists of the following components. The components are the main one is a pump. The eccentric rotor pump driven by a V-belt from the engine crankshaft is normally used. The pump is located either on the front of the engine or at the front of the crankshaft. A fluid reservoir is attached to the pump and generally stores a low viscosity mineral oils similar to the type used in the automatic transmission. A pressure relief valve limits the maximum pressure of 2 meganewton per meter square, and once the pressure is attained, oil passes from the pump outlet back to the reservoir. Control valve or reaction valve. In the layout, the valve is located between the two valves of the drag link. It can also be positioned together with the ram cylinder in the steering box. A spool type valve is attached to one half of the drag link and is held centrally in the valve body by two reaction springs. Flexible pipes are used to connect the valve to the ram cylinder, pump and reservoir. The electronic power steering also included, and the electronically assisted power steering is used in some cars The assistance can be applied directly by an electric stepper motor integrated with the steering column or the steering mechanism. And this is a different topic of the electronic power steering.